Hello guys, welcome back to Madam K's. Thank you coming to my kitchen. Please subscribe to my channel and watch out all the other amazing videos that I have on there. Tasty, easy to make food, even on a low budget. You can make it with your whole family, especially your children. So today I have a great recipe. I call it the sunset chicken. So I've got a whole chicken here that I've just cut open, and I got all my ingredients ready. So I got a whole yellow pepper, a whole green pepper. I got about 280 to 300 milliliters of cream, so single cream. I got 4 spoons of Nando's Peri-Peri, the medium one. I got 4 spoons of honey. I've mixed together coriander and garlic seasoning. I got a lime that I've cut in two, got my oil and my salt. You'll need a blender as well, so I got the blender here. So let's start. So this dish is got 3 stages to it. So obviously I got my chicken, so I'm going to season it and put it in the oven. And then I got my honey, my Nando's Peri-Peri, and my cream that I'm going to put in the blender for the sauce. And that's going to go together with the green peppers that I have. So first thing to do is to season our chicken. So first thing is to squeeze lime on it. So I've just opened up the breast a little bit so we can put our seasoning in there. And salt, obviously. Just rub it over the whole part of the chicken. And then we got our spice. So it's coriander and garlic mixed together. So just make sure you cover your whole chicken. Spices in there, and then we're going to pour oil on it. So you can use olive oil or just normal cooking oil, sunflower oil, or vegetable oil. Just rub everything together. Okay, so our next stage is to blend our double cream, our Nando's Peri-Peri, and our honey together. Okay, so once we've blended our double cream, honey, and Nando's Peri-Peri, I've got a pot with melted butter, so just a tablespoon of butter, and I'm going to put in those 3 ingredients and cook it on medium heat for 5 minutes. Okay, so once your sauce has been cooking for 5 minutes, and obviously you've been stirring occasionally, you add your peppers to it, and just lower the heat as well, very low. Then you add your yellow pepper, green pepper, and then you just stir it in, and you just cook it for 2 minutes because you don't want your peppers to overcook. Okay, so after your peppers have been cooking in your blended ingredients for 2 minutes, obviously you need to be stirring occasionally as well. You switch it off and you leave it in there for the next stage. So our chicken has been in the oven for half an hour now, and I've just taken it out. Look at this lovely colors. So what I'm going to do now is pour this combination of cream, honey, Nando's Peri-Peri sauce, and the peppers on the chicken. So you just want to pour it over, really. Just be careful because it's hot. And then we're going to put it back in the oven, medium rack for 20 minutes. Okay, I've just taken out our chicken from the oven. It's been in there for 20 minutes on the middle rack. So the last stage is to just turn it over to the other side and then put it back in your oven on your top shelf for about 20 minutes to half an hour, just depending on how big your chicken is really. So I've got kitchen paper roll, because obviously chicken is hot, and I'm just going to hold at the bottom of the legs and then just turn it over. So I've just taken our chicken out of the oven. It's been in there for 20 minutes. Look how beautiful that looks. And look at that. So you can have this with anything really, rice, potatoes, whatever you're serving on that day, and you don't have to make extra sauce or gravy. That's your sauce for your food. Lovely. Enjoy.